Hello, Zach. How are you? I am fine. How are you? I am also fine. Hey, Pete. What did Mom say she needed again? I forgot. She said she wanted 3 pounds of salmon. No, maybe it was 2. Oh well. Nothing to do except to call her. First we should look for the other items on the list. Yes. Let us do that. What was on the list? She wanted bread. Just 1 loaf of bread. Okay, I can grab that from the bread aisle. Anything else? She wanted feta cheese, tomatoes, lettuce and lemon. She also wanted the salmon. However, we both don't remember how much she wanted. I will just give her a call as I grab tomatoes, lettuce and lemons. You can grab the bread. Sounds good. Okay, sounds good. See you in a few minutes.
Hey Peter. How are you?
Hey Stella. Wow, I did not know that you worked here.
Ha ha ha, neither did I. Today is my first day. I hope no one fires me yet.
No way. You are way too nice. If you do not mind, I will just leave the bread and go outside. My brother will come and I am sure he will give me a hard time.
Of course, we do not want the baby brother to bother you. Call me later, okay? I have some homework to do and maybe we can do it in the pizza place we went to last time.
Yes! That would be fantastic. I will call you later. I got to go. You are such an angel. Hello. Did you see a tall, skinny, blonde guy here?
Like you? Nope.
Oh well. Just these items then.
Sure. No problem.
Hey, aren't you my brother's friend?
I am. My name is Stella.
I am Zach. Well, it was nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
You too, Zach.